Welcome to Restro POS. From the main menu, click Payments. This screen lists every transaction your restaurant has processed, complete with amount, payment method, order number, and exact date and time. Use the search box to locate a payment instantly. Each row shows its unique ID, amount, method, linked order, and timestamp, letting you verify any payment at a glance. For accounting or audits, press Export to download the entire payment log as a spreadsheet. And that's all it takes to stay on top of your payments in Restro POS. Search, filter, and export whenever you need clear, accurate financial records.